The greatest times of your life. The best moments of our life. Ones that take your breath away. Events unforgettable. Moments that make you feel on top of the world. Moments where you're top of your game. Moments you capture. And things that will capture you. Visit the Savage Land. Are you savage?
Let's go. This is your radio. Your station.
All right, we're about to get back to the music. Just want to catch you up on today's news. A terrorist incident in downtown New York City was stopped by the X-Men, but they also left a giant ice wall in the middle of the road. Shortly after, off-brand X-Men were seen boarding a city bus, but then were apprehended at what was described as a sad apartment. I better hope they've been cleared to use the X-Men branding or get ready to be sued by Kitty Pryde. The Hulk also made an appearance today, destroying a hospital on his Midwest tour. We're all hoping he finds himself on this cross-country trip. In the good news, I won money on SmashTV.com, your home for betting on disasters. The countdown to the next Hulk appearance has begun. Place your bets now. We're also getting word that a casino has blown up. We'll get you more details when we have them. Why do they always gotta destroy the water tower?
Water twins, activate! Does your water tower need repairs or possibly be replaced after being used as an improvised weapon? We can even upgrade your existing water tower with state-of-the-art automated security features and even armed guards that are prepared to shoot any web-slinging, fantastic car driving, or those goblin gliding weirdos dumb enough to come near our new adaptive camouflage model.
Wow! Thanks, Water Twins!
News. DJ Phalanx. 2018. Hey, let's get it. MCH, kick in MCH. MCH, kick in MCH. DNA, mix of DNA. Chase a witch. Mask off, mask off. Mask off, mask off. MCH, kick in MCH. Chase, never chase a witch. Don't chase no witch, kill a beauty. Don't sit right with me. Gotta hit it, start a mutiny family. But you believe, drink some blood from me. Don't chase no witch. Wolverine goes through those extremes. Mortalites, looking like some goop. Don't chase no witch. In the mirror, call your family too.